Hi everyone, it is Mael, and today I have something a little different to show you this time. I am trying 2 pairs of barefoot shoes, both perfect for relaxing at home or walking around comfortably. I like bringing variety to my videos, so this one feels really easygoing and fun. The first pair is the blue barefoot shoes. They look soft and light, and the material feels flexible. These are the kind of shoes that give your feet freedom and comfort. I really like how they fit the shape of my feet. They have that simple and natural look that makes them perfect for daily use around the house or outside for short walks. The second pair is the mint barefoot shoes. They look fresh and cute. And the color is lovely. They feel soft too, but with a slightly firmer base than the blue ones. I think both are great options, depending on what you like more. The mint pair gives a little cleaner and modern vibe. I hope you like seeing both, because they are really comfortable and fun to wear. Both pairs of barefoot shoes feel really good on my feet. The blue and the mint ones stay light, flexible, and soft. The blue pair gives a calm and relaxed feeling that works perfectly for quiet days at home. The mint pair feels a bit firmer and brings a clean and fresh look that feels stylish. I like how both pairs move naturally with my steps and keep that easy barefoot comfort all the time. Between the two, my favorite is the blue barefoot pair. They feel softer and even more flexible, and they make my feet feel free and light. I like the color too, because it looks calm and peaceful and fits perfectly with the idea of comfort. The mint pair also feels great and gives a little more support, so both are good choices, but the blue ones make me feel the most comfortable. Thank you so much for watching this barefoot shoes try on. Remember to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and tell me in the comments which one you like more, the blue pair or the mint pair. I love reading your messages, and your ideas always help me decide what to try next. See you soon in another video. With love from Mael.